eyes open. Look at that spread. Let's go. Let's go. I see you climbing up the chart, looking overboard. Yeah, you're flying too close to the sun, giving all you got. All science 99. Tell me, is it real? Or are you pumping up the volume just to close a deal? I'm sitting calm in the shadows with the heavy position, waiting for the bulls to finally lose their vision. I see the weight getting long, hitting resistance high. Don't tell me that you're holding, baby, don't you lie. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and liquidity is leaking, yeah. I see the panic starting to creep in, yeah. So tell the buyers good night, 'cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, crash, crash. Drop that ass. Yeah, feel that order. Drop that ass. You're trying to find support at the moving average, but I know the fundamentals represent the savage. I borrowed shares at the top, sold them in the green. Now I'm watching red candles wash away the dream. I hear the margin calls ringing on the telephone. Suddenly the diamond hands feel all alone. The volume spike is coming in heavy on the sale. We're riding on the algorithm straight to hell, 'cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and the liquidity is leaking. I see the panic starting to creep in. Hands in the air, say goodbye. Till the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash. Lower highs, lower lows. That's the way the rhythm goes. Break the trend line, stop loss. Watch the valuation drop. Don't stop, keep falling, and don't stop, keep falling. Flush it. Cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, 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 crash.
They don't see the move, nah. They see it, taking it, yeah. Stocks was the warm up, yeah. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move, nah. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fast, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold, yeah. They checking the headlines, I'm checking the chain. They seeing the panic, I'm seeing the game. They punching the clock, stuck in the rain. I'm building the future, I'm changing the game. This ain't no casino, this a calculated play. They follow the herd, I go my own way. Buying the red, they'll be sick on the green day. I read the white paper, they don't know what to say. Yeah, this is for the ones who got iron grip. that's right. It's sold to the bottom, they messed up the trip. We just bought a dip, add another chip. Let them run their mouth, man, I'm zipping the lip. Watching this stack go. Stocks was the one, crypto's a new play. Crypto's see the move play. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't too fat, man, we taking it hippo. That's the end goal, stacking till it can't fold. 6 figures, 7 figures, what's the deal? This ain't no get rich quick, this is a shift. Generational, this is a gift. They hoping for luck, I'm reading the script. I'm my own bank, now I am the boss. They can't see the vision, that's when they lost. I cut out the middleman, cut out the cost. Whether the winner, don't care about the frost. This is digital gold, this a new age. Turn my whole portfolio, turn a new page. They stuck in the past like a new praise. While I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. They said it was nothing, said it was a dream. Now they all watching me, watching on screen. It's a lonely road. We are the one who know. We are the one who know. Yo, Stops was a warm-up. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move now. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fall.
Yeah. They look at the chart and see history. I look at the chart and I see destiny. Yeah, I'm already there.
Candles are painting, I tell them the color. You hedging your bets, yeah, you scaring your mother. I'm 50 lights deep and I don't even blink. I know what the algorithm's starting to think. Liquidity grabs, yeah, I see where it's hiding. The wave reposition, I'm already riding. Your stop loss is hitting, my take profits printing. You running the sprint, but I finished the mission before it began. God plan, I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup form and I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, I'm bringing the bag back. Stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. I own the clock, I don't the fix, I don't wait for the shot. I own the clock. Look, I'm at the bottom while you were asleep. I'm playing for keeps, I'm diving in deep. The oracle speaks, I hold it for weeks or I hold it for seconds. I am a legend, a force to be reckoned. ES is jumping, NQ is pumping, I feel it coming. My heart isn't thumping. Go ice, I'ma go. Made this story is told. I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup forming, I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, ain't bring the bag back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Yeah. Top bottom. I'm already there. I go to tomorrow, bringing the bag, bring it back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, and I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm a bitch, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock.
Yeah. Good morning, Green Team. Mr. Doug, Smoke Tuna in the building. Hope you guys are doing well this morning. We got a few tickers popping on off this morning. Actually, a decent list of leading gappers that are making moves this morning. Yesterday ended up being a very nice day. Ended up 4Q on the day, and it felt slow. But I think the idea is my New Year's resolution, which we're going to open up the phone for that over at Trade the Pool today from 12 to 1. So if you want to talk about yours, jump on the phone over there because mine has been just making sure, like sprinkling on a lot of good setups that I see and pretty much shutting the computer down. Of course, I can't do that because I'm an analyst. I got to sit here and commentate, but essentially stop looking at them. If I wasn't an analyst, stop looking at those trades, move on with my day, take the setups, take some I mean, I can take profit, but what I need to do is go green or greener, essentially. Like I'm not going red, but I'm letting the trades work as much as they want to. Now, yesterday, a few trades did that, and AZI was one of them. Now, AZI, that one stopped me out on leftovers, and then it continued to fade. It had like a 80-cent pop off the bottom and then faded from there, but it ended up being a great fade. So sometimes, your leftovers will get hit. But yeah, it was yesterday, Tuna. Yesterday, AZI. That was honestly like in the moment. We'll pull up that chart real quick. I mean, in the moment, that was just. I think you guys remember. I was like, alert, alert, AZI. This has got a really good bear flag on it, and here was the bear flag. But the price action these days has been kind of tricky. I mean, look at that upper wick. So it's got a bear flag, clear bear flag to it. That's why we have to size down some, widen the risk to eliminate some of this chop, right? The chop, chop, chop. There's been so much chop. So chop city, really, and at the bell, Fades preaches that all the time at the bell. So maybe good rule of thumb is size down at the bell if you're going to trade it. He's been trying to avoid it some and size down too as well, but just make sure like some of this chop you can eliminate that noise by sizing down some. So I think I had like 250 shares there. I gave it up towards the high a day. I took half off on maybe even 500 shares. 500 shares took half off when it dropped, and then it popped up. I adjusted my risk to break even, and sometimes that does mess me up, but it's all good. It was 4Q on the day. I mean, that would have been massive. 430 got stopped down on leftovers. That was around my average, and then it flushed all the way 340s. My goodness. So that's the idea, traders, going into today. And AZI, I know you mentioned Tuna. This thing's basing out around this 350 support, so we'll monitor that level on today. We got a lot to look at before the market opens on up. I know you mentioned a few there. MLTX, NVVE. Apparently today is a good day to come out with PRs. I mean, what's going on in the world out there? Are they releasing some data? Let's take a look. I'm gonna take a look at the CNBC Morning Squawk. Are they coming out with something today? Because new path. I don't think any data's coming out. But all right, let's dive into this extensive watch list. Now, there's two tickers that I like the most for my strategy, but I go over everything. So we'll go over the leading gappers as well. Man, JTAI. So JTAI, this one just hit $1, rejected hard. Dollar is always very tough. Bid price rule. If you don't know, learn it. Bid price rule, dollar. You gotta be above it. You get delisted. CGTL. Wow, that got rejected. FTEL. Yeah. All right. So MLTX. One second. Messaging about the call-in show. The topic today is going to be New Year's resolution. What is it? All right. Yeah. Okay. MLTX. So what's going on with this one? They Moon Lake Immunotherapeutics announces positive outcome from Type B meeting with U.S. FDA and announces Investor Day. All right. Said FDA feedback confirmed it may establish substantial evidence of effectiveness for whatever their clinical trials. MLTX. Yeah. So type looks like they're with the FDA. They have a drugs looking good, effective. Wow. After that, what in the world happened back here? $62 down towards 5. You know what? This is ringing a bell to me as well. MLTX. I got to go back and look at what happened there. This thing might have a lot of upside. Uh, when did that happen? That happened. What do you think? Okay, investors with Moon Lake Immunotherapeutics investors with substantial losses have opportunity to lead class action lawsuit. Oh my. Yeah, okay. Trying to figure out what entirely happened though. Okay, some of their top executives over at their company violated Securities Exchange Act of 1934. Okay, some of their top executives gotten charged with something. All right. MLTX, that's what happened. 62 down to 5. Now getting a little pop on it today. MLTX fell. Yeah. If you guys have more insight on that, or if you were, I was reading in the PRs like, if you were hurt, call this number. Class action lawsuit. Okay. NVVE. Next play coming on up. Nice continuation there. NVVE. I was monitoring that until yesterday. It really held up. And so now we have clear support NVVE at 350. Yeah, 350's holding up real well, and now 4, which was a ceiling there at 4. I remember going over this play yesterday. NVVE getting a spike on up right now, getting some continuation volume, follow through volumes coming into this. So again, on a hangover kind of play that I'm looking for, that's I wanna see this volume come into it. With that being the case, invalidated for me on the short side. Good morning, Miss Faith. How we doing?
Good morning, guys. How's it going?
Yeah, it's there's a lot of gappers. I told them there's 2 trades I haven't got into yet, but I like 2 for backside.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, did you see SMX's PR? Yeah,
Uh-uh.
this is hilarious, dude. All right,
What is it?
SMX, they came yesterday. The PR was literally the headlines. This fades, dude. Where's my weed? So SMX, is a security, so what a security company, but but the security is in the weed. So instead of relying on labels, QR codes, or databases, SMX embeds an invisible molecular identity directly into the cannabis packaging. It's like a microscopic ID card, so you'll
Oh
never.
my God, bro.
That's what it is. So you'll never lose your
That's
weed.
what it went to $300 for.
Yeah, apparently.
That's what squeezed all the toots. Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, but anyways, I like SMX. I was like, what in the heck is going on with SMX? Because I saw, Investors Underground was long on this too yesterday. I'm like, why? What is
I guess
why?
like after it ran so much, everyone's thinking like, oh well, it did it once, it can go back up some. It's like that psychology.
Dead cat bounce kind
Yeah,
of
the dead cat bounce vibes. Like everyone's trying to get on board. That's probably
from 3 to 400 to 20. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. I like it against like 40. I mean, backside. We'll see if if she gets some volume for another push or stays dead. But the two mainly I like going into today. So I like Glue today, GLUE for backside, because they announced sometime randomly in the day yesterday that they're getting they're going to do a $200 million public offering. They're
Oh, okay.
yeah, and they're up a decent chunk too. So
Huh.
they said it was late Wednesday. They let all the long term investors get on in there first. And then late yesterday they said they've
Mhm.
commenced an underwritten public offering for $200 million. So I like Glue and I like Lucy kinda. Lucy's a hangover, but it was on earnings, so that may keep it up a little bit. But
Yeah. Right.
I like those two quite a bit. Of course, we have a
Yeah.
lot of leading gappers. What are you looking at?
I'm watching FlyX right now as like the leading gapper. It's a little weak, so I just took like a tiny position there just because of the time of the day, though. It is looking weak, but I don't like getting involved right before bell big, so we'll dabble there. That's the only trade I've taken this morning so far, though. I'm watching Sidhu still, and AZI. Those are two that I'm going to be watching probably primarily. Let's see what else I got. FlyX is kind of dumping.
Yeah, Sidhu is annoying, super annoying. That like looking at the chart is way off of its trend, but you see all the lower shadows. Like it keeps
Yep.
selling off and just buying
It's
up
on a
every
stair
time.
step. Yeah, it's like on a very stronger stair step trend. So mid fours needs to give up there. I wouldn't really dabble too much with it up here unless it stays weak, you know.
Yeah,
So yeah, that might not have rolled. Might not be ready to roll over yet. AZI kind of a similar thing. It's like it almost wants to roll over, but it's
Yeah.
going to congregate base and keep pumping.
yeah,
Kind of
the
the same
3.5s
story.
there.
Like not jumping up and down about either one of those, but could be something. Let's see what else we got. Feel like
So
the-
what are you thinking with FlyX? Because didn't they I mean, pretty much what was their news? I mean, they're partnering with Starlink, but they're just pretty much putting Wi-Fi in Starlink, right?
Yeah,
They're
I
like,
mean it sounds good, but maybe the market's starting to bake it in. This is a very key level going into Bell. I mean, I guess it has decent odds of getting another pump or some love here, but it might just go ahead and roll over at the same time. It's do or die level right here. This 5.6, 5.7 range.
yeah, they love like their headlines sound so fancy, but it literally might just be they're
Right.
the Wi-Fi provider.
Yeah, and
I
sometimes
mean,
it's like that, right? They catch the market, like they catch that eager bull rush and all the day traders that are hungry for something. And then sometimes, yeah, like the name drops, PRs and stuff, and then everyone starts to realize, like, damn, like you said, like, is this company really even doing much at all? Like, maybe it's not a buy. So we could see that kind of pattern there, but this is like do or die levels right now. So just be small
Starlink
size.
aviation dealer.
Like
So
the
yeah,
Starlink, like it sounds good. That's something that could get a rally, like just off the
but they
bat.
just sell. All they do is sell Star. I mean, that's all it's saying, right? We can sell Starlinks.
Yeah, right, exactly. Like the headline, it's funny how much of a headline will work wonders in this market, right? It's like how many bulls are even reading the PR at all? Like they're like they see Starlink on a board, they're like news with Starlink, oh my god, buy. Like and that's pretty much like the gist of it. Like that might be all the DD they do. Like
Yeah. The algos could have just been buying that on up too. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, Starlink, exclusive, partnership, authorized.
Mhm.
All
Yeah,
the
you're right.
all the
you're right.
keywords. We
Yeah.
got the green team in the building. Bob back in here. Let's go. Bob back in here. Good to see you, Bob.
Right
and
on.
Mr. Emmanuel from Vegas. All right, guys. All right, so that's FlyX.
Yeah, FlyX
Interesting
is getting
play.
that bounce right now that we're just calling for up this range here, guys.
So what's the flow? FlyX has got a 6 milli flow. It looks like, or no, I'm seeing 6 and 20. I don't know. It's small. It's rotated at.
Yeah,
So just be careful with
exactly.
that.
Right. It's probably gonna. I'm sure it'll get some rowdiness at Bell. So I'll just revisit after seeing a little bit of buyers come in.
MLTX is one that's gapping up quite well, dude. MLTX. Did you look at the daily on this one? This is that's so that executives. There was something sketchy. The executives of this company. There was a huge gap down, like massive gap down,
Oh wow,
62 to 5, and
interesting.
yeah, now it's popping up a little bit on
Huh.
some news that I don't understand. I mean, FDA feedback confirmed the company may establish substantial evidence of effectiveness without additional clinical trials. Huh? So is that essentially saying like they're not going to have to go through the phases with the pharmaceutical? Emmanuel, you're in the pharmaceutical business.
Yeah, that's one of our
I need a
gurus.
translator.
That's
I
one
need
of
a
our
translator.
specialists.
All right, and then Akon, not the rapper, but ACON. This one's
Hey,
up too.
kinda
Yeah.
young, easy.
They're trading higher after the company reported quarterly NOCI scans volumes. I did look up what a NOCI scan, or however you pronounce that, NOCI scan is. Apparently, that's for your the lumbar on your it's looking at the discs in your back and trying to establish
Oh,
which one's causing pain and which one's not. So it's like some kind of magnetic scanner. Anyways, ACON
yeah,
clear.
it's not not a whole lot besides Fly X. 40%. A couple of them are up 40%. What I'm seeing again. Um, Seems like there hasn't been as many crazy runners the past week or so, huh? A little quieter, maybe a little calmer. Rose getting needy right before bell.
I'm okay with that, man. All
Yeah,
right, so
yesterday was clean. So, um, but I'm not seeing really anything that's screaming at me right now, to be honest.
yeah, I mean, I think Lucy and Glue are pretty good. Um,
Okay,
but those are the only ones that are like saying take me. But yeah, I like Glue. Glue I like a lot because that's 13 to 24 with the offering that they just announced that
yeah,
they're gonna
right.
do,
But with the offering, it's
and
definitely.
they're pretty overbought here.
Hmm.
So that's probably going to be my main play going into the Bell Glue. And
Okay.
then Lucy will monitor it. I mean, I like it against the 1/8s. If it starts getting volume and pops through the 1/8s, then it's a no-go for me. Outside of that, we know where the volume's at, but I don't know if I'm taking a trade on them. NVVE, like a long against 420 even. Mr. Kayvon in the building. Good to see you in here. Kayvon's had a good start to the year. Trading well and disciplined, stopping out well, letting the winners run.
Good stuff.
Let's see what the stock market gods provide us, man.
Yeah. So I'll be watching Glue, FlyX, Sidu, and AZI. Those are like my top 4 right now.
Yep. Same. I'm gonna be watching. I might probably hit some Glue here at the Bell. Let me if we get enough
There's some
volume.
Glue.
Yeah.
You glue sniffer.
Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it. I think
You don't have any volume.
I got. Oh, I'm on the 5-minute. So, ooh, thank you.
200 shares just went through though, just now. I mean, you should be good now because the market's open. But yeah, if you would have smacked it right before.
Yeah, I just got involved a little bit on Glue, and is she gonna snap from here? Let's see.
Fly X, a little bit of selling. Let's see.
I'm gonna get involved and then just set a stop. Yesterday that worked so well. Just set it and forget it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna do that. All right.
Sidu, selling. Fly X, a little selling. Fly X, a lot of selling.
Fly. Okay.
Sidu dumped 10 cents quickly. FlyX dumping.
NVVE is halted up. Oh my god, NVVE. We just went over that as a potential good long too. That's funny.
Yeah, it was pumping. Pumpy nature.
Yeah, NVVE halted up.
City of Bagholder Burial? Bagholder Wasteland Day.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah. That's tempting, but it's always getting balled up. So
Yeah, and then FlyX, they'll probably toy with that one. You know, that's going to be like the manipulated one. Yep. Dip and rip on FlyX. City heavy. Glue.
MLTX heavy. MLTX real heavy.
Okay.
Damn, that one might be going into a halt down too. Let's see what Lucy's doing.
City with a lot of volume and heavy.
Dang, dude, MLTX is giving it up, pooping the bed.
Nice.
You in it?
Mm-mm. Yeah, good work there.
I'm not in. I'm only in glue right now.
Okay.
I'm not chasing this. I'm thinking about Lucy. Yeah, I'm giving her a thought.
FlyX parabolic. Well, not parabolic, but
Okay.
dip and rip there. Classic. Sidhu. See if Sidhu follows suit. Is Sidhu going to reclaim all that candle there?
All right, NVVE's resuming at 552 is the opening price right now. MLTX, is that halted down?
Still going.
No, it's not. MLTX close to a halt down though. This thing is just panicking.
Sidhu back almost to where it opened.
Man, yeah, that's just
Okay,
honestly, I
yeah,
could
that's
feel
just-
that. I could feel that coming.
Yeah. Look at that, dude. Unbelievable.
Back to the naughty list she goes.
Yeah. Yeah, right? Just stays on the naughty list, dude.
Man. Fly X recovery, yeah, like 570s right there, double bottoming, and looks like it wants to go up through the pre-market highs.
Right. Yeah, it was a strong recovery there.
I like a short on Fly X. I think the news is kind of BS,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit it Fly X. I'm gonna slow scale it, like real slow. Just gonna get in there, kind of tiny right now. If it confirms, I'll get Dabo a little bit more.
Okay.
I guess I'm gonna hit it a little bit more. It's looking weak right here. Just set a stop, like, I don't know, 7.5s.
Okay.
Fly X dumping.
Oh, wow. Wild Wiki West.
Oh my god, dude. This thing might go into a halt down. Might have to. NVVE is about to open up too, traders. NVVE. Be mindful of that. Man. Fly X. Is it going to recover from that, bro? It might be like sloppy second time.
Yeah. Tempting.
All right, NVVE. I'm going to turn my attention there. NVVE just opened up, traders.
Okay.
and it's the Wild Wiki West.
Yes. Down to my last
I'm gonna
dollar.
try Fly X. I got a 750 stop, and I'm gonna really try to just not touch that one, dude. Like I gotta practice what I preach. Just let it go all day, because that thing can fade like 3 points. It literally can fade all the way.
It can. It feels heavy, bro. I'm adding.
Adding to it. Yeah, it's probably worth an add. I'm in Fly X and Glue on the shorts, and then NVVE. If that thing looks like it's gonna halt down, I might sprinkle a little bit on it. Down to my last dollar.
Okay.
Fly X, dude, about to capitulate. That thing's about to capitulate.
Oh wow, yeah, it is.
Fly X is down to her last dollar.
Sidu, yeah, naughty list, complete scam.
Complete naughty. Yeah, that thing's
Like, God, dude, this is, yeah, man. I don't know how much more convincing I need to do. I think it's gonna be futures at open for me. come in like 30 minutes later, because this you just can't trust any of the price action. It's like, I don't know, man.
yeah, it's
ML, I guess,
oh my god,
it's
MLTX.
tricky.
You can trust MLTX, dude.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Like, then you get trades like MLTX. You get that anomaly that does behave well without the manipulation.
Oh my lord!
But it's like 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get manipulated out.
Yeah.
Hands down.
Fly X. I'm just leaving that on, guys. I got a short there on that pop. I'm leaving her on. And Glue's looking good. I mean, it's under the previous close. Honestly, like, I wanted to stay heavy against even this high that it just put in, 23.7. So, good work, anybody working Glue. She is looking good. I'm leaving that one on as well.
Yeah, I like the idea of Glue.
I'm just trying to leave a couple faders on. Fly X, I really want that to stay heavy. I mean, against really that pop it put in. I mean, it would be kind of sick if this thing reclaims 6.
It might. It's freaking king of the day garbage, bro. At Bell. So, I mean,
yeah,
really anything's gonna happen. Yeah.
A 1 point candlestick down and reclaim. Longs have just been getting like very blessed with some of this reclaim action. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, it's been pretty gross. Yeah, but I do like Glue for like the bigger, like less gamey, like cleaner action.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm tired of this garbage, dude. This garbage manipulation that just makes no sense. I'm honestly just getting tired of it. The Sidu Bell action. I'm just about had it with that completely. To be honest.
Oh yeah, I mean, I feel you on it. That's.
Oh, let's see.
Fly X recovering all of this. Wow.
Yeah, that too. Right. Yeah, just king of day garbage, dude.
Halting up, Fly X.
You smacked it.
I reversed.
Oh man, this shit's hilarious. I guess it's. Let me see.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, oh boy.
If you can't beat them, join them. I mean,
that's all that's going on. Everything else is quiet, you know. So it's like it's predictable. Like all the volume, all the manipulation, all the herd just piles there because like nothing else is up more than 40%. So everyone's on that thing.
Not seeing it on the halt scanner yet, as far as where it's gonna open.
And glue.
But
Here comes glue reclaiming.
you're like, dude, futures is way cleaner.
It's time to go check out futures.
Order confirmed. Sidu looks like it's. I mean, Sidu looks like it's. Okay, hang on. I got IPW now.
Sidu is breaking out new highs. FlyX, dip, rip, dip, rip.
Wait, FlyX is showing it's going to open up at $6.
Scam. Yeah, and that's probably typical, really. Just, that's just textbook, just games, right? Like, I would not even be surprised at that. Like, that's expected at this point. Like, that's honestly what bulls get for chasing that degenerate action. It's like the market can't stay irrational. Eventually, like, things have to make sense. But yeah, that's just, I don't know, man. Madness.
So, Doug, FlyX, you think that's inaccurate? That's on Zendu. $6 would be crazy if that
Probably is inaccurate, but there's a chance it's not. My dollar. Cooking glue.
I will be down to my last dollar if that thing opens up at 6.
Offer out glue. We'll do the rest. Sit here, dude. Freaking banned list.
Yeah. Or just reverse. Just reverse on it.
Yeah, right.
I guess.
I wish I would have at the bottom. Yeah, man. All right, let's see. Down my left dollar. Courage.
God dang it, dude.
You're like, what the hell's going on here? Like, FlyX. I don't know what to believe.
I don't know what to believe.
My courage to the tail.
Not seeing a resume price. I mean, it's up through the highs or about to be. So, I mean, what I would think is it's going to gap up over 7 because it should be taking out stops over the high right there. But who knows? We're in an upside down world. FlyX 5-minute halt would be opening at 9:44.56. So about 1 minute from now. Yeah, normally what happens on these kind of plays is they will AZI losing it. Yeah, that close to the highs, they'll just
AZI what?
AZI under 350, dude.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Have that little, let's see. Down my left dollar. My courage to the tail.
All right, see where we're gonna open up. If it opens lower, that's gonna be kind of wild with 64,000 shares coming in on the bid, but oh my God, we opened higher.
Oh wow, straight gap up. Oh my God, dude.
That's helpful.
Ding, ding, ding. And then glue just popped another dollar.
Money Mitch, Smoked Tuna, did he catch FlyX up? Yeah, I caught that yeah, that easy long, bro. Easy long.
Good work.
I'm kidding. That's what my son's been saying. He's been saying, bro. I'm like, come on, man. not a huge fan of that vocabulary, but now it's rubbing off on me. We'll play like a game, like we were playing this.
Yeah.
Dude, they on the Switch. We play the Switch together. It came out with this Mario Party, but a Lego version, and it is super fun, man.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I used to love that game.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I
But
would get
they
into
like
that if I had a son for sure. That's cool.
they fixed everything that was wrong with Mario Party. Like seriously, like for
Mhm.
instance, the new Jamboree that they came out with, like I hate the allies people. They introduce these allies that you have to fight for, and then you can just. But then if somebody's one space behind you, they just steal them.
Huh.
So you work. It's an extended game, so you'll work like 2 minutes in this mini game to get this Jamboree buddy, where you can get 2 stars if you pass a star. But yeah, it's kind of silly.
Huh.
But yeah, the Lego Party is crazy fun. Yeah, we play the Mario Kart
Yeah.
online too. You play so slowly motivate. You play the Mario Kart World. Nice. Yeah, I'm like itching to get that Switch too because I feel like my son would really, really, we'd have a lot of fun playing that. What do you think? Motivate the Switch too. All right, Fly X. Thank God that thing opened up higher. Took a little, just a. I was kind of heavy. I was kind of heavy on that reversal. Because again, the thesis when you get close to high a day, you know, it usually you'll get that gap up over.
Let's see. I gotta fix my platform.
Uzo trades 859 on Fly X. Let's go.
Nice, dude.
Let's go, Uzo. Great. Congrats.
Good stuff.
Okay. Tuna, he's saying he likes it. Okay. Yeah, the news to me feels janky. Like it just, but I'll play the long side for now. I think it's ultimately probably going to be a good short, but in the interim, you got to just play it, you know.
Yeah, that's the reality of it. You know, it's like being over biased or being aware of how the reality of the market, and how people are going to trade it, and how it's going to act.
Exactly. Yeah.
Like we were just talking about, it's like, is the news good? Is it not? Well, it doesn't really matter. Bulls see Starlink on boards and it's going up. And that's all that does matter. Like
Exactly.
for now, right at 9:45, that's all that matters. At 3:45,
Yeah, exactly.
that'd be a different story.
At 3:45. Honestly, that's some guy's strategy. Like I watched some funded guys, and they'll come in like they'll just figure out what was the Fly X of today. They'll come in at 12
Right.
o'clock.
Exactly. That's
For
that's
sure.
like pretty much me, essentially. Like I'm just evolved to like all this morning games. Like I'd rather just chill out and then like go heavier when I have more conviction. Like
You're
that's
an
pretty much
evolved.
where I'm at. Yeah.
You're an evolved species. You're a trading specimen.
It's like I want to be degenerate too and become along again, but it's just like I feel like I know better. It's like it's gonna hurt me when I feel like I'm gonna get burned at the worst time or something, like that PTSD. But it's nice on the prop firm, you can trade longs more degenerately without so much worry, right? It's like
I know.
if X happens, you're only gonna get this much damage done, right? Like so.
I went in. I had 800. I only have 200 right now. I went in smaller on this hold up. But guys, it's about to resume. I'm probably taking it right out of this because you guys know I don't like this ticker anyways. I'm gonna take it out. I'm just trading this craziness. Likely gonna take it right out of this halt, and then we'll move on to the next one. Well, unless Fly X is likely going to be in play for the next hour.
Probably all day because there's nothing else going on. Well, Elvin is coming up, and NVVE, like those two are the second and third.
Oh, dude, we're going into a 10-minute halt. We're going into a 10-minute halt. I got to be all liquidated on this before head over to trade the pool because I can't be all degenerate over there. Fly X is at the 52-week high.
Well, they might be degenerate over there too right now. Did you say Mitch is in it?
Apparently, I guess, but yeah, but I'm just like I'm trying to like scalp this thing essentially. It's like I can't
Mhm.
be telling a couple hundred people to buy this crap. This this
Yeah,
Fly
like,
X.
what are you looking at today, Kevin? Well, I'm just looking.
Let me
Looking for a
formulate a
trade
watch.
right
I need to formulate a watch list actually. Been looking at one tick. Yeah, MG. I'm took a long on it with into these halts, essentially with hundreds of thousands of shares going up into them, looking for a little gap up. But the last one I went kind of heavy on just because it was nearing the high of day, and I was actually short MG. I was short, and then I reversed long. I took a stop down, reverse long into the halt.
Confessional.
I know.
AZI. That's turned into the king backside.
I know, dude. Really, now against 350 is really good. I want to flip around and look at some of these other trades, but when are we going to resume Fly X? 9:55. I got a couple minutes. All right, let's take a look. MLTX might be giving us sloppy seconds short against like 1550.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
NVVE looking heavy now, bro. NVVE kind of on alert here, guys.
Okay.
Against, yeah, I'm gonna take NVVE. I think. Let me think. It's bear flaggish against the highs that it put in.
I mean, there's a lot of wicks at 5.3. I mean, there's a lot of wicks there. But
I do like
the
it.
RR, where are you looking to cover at? It's like
There's a lot of support on it too. It just feels like a trappy day, doesn't it?
Yeah, right.
Like
Like when I see everything up and nothing's really up more than 40-50%, that's when I know it's a day to just chill out. Like dig deeper, look for a backside that's maybe under the radar or something. But like when I look at the top gainers, it's like meh.
Lucy and SMX, bro. Lucy and SMX.
Actually, SXTC is up and coming right now. SXTC, and you said SMX is doing something.
SMX looks good, and whatever the other one, Lucy is starting to give it up. That one could slowly fade all day, but SMX looks good too.
SMX, I'm seeing 31.5 key. There's a lot of support there, so maybe watch for the crack at this point, or it's kind of a tricky one to manage risk on if they toy with it at the wrong time when you're in it. Like
Yeah,
they do these wonky reclaims. And Sidu, that little piglet, off of 5 rejected and kind of heavy here, but it's probably just trapping again. Probably start finding some kind of random strength and grind back up from here. But it could just be one of those that just gives it up randomly. It feels like it could be close, but I don't know.
All right, sub 60 seconds, guys, for the Fly X.
You reversing short?
If it starts looking weak, yeah,
I
absolutely.
might take a tiny starter again. Short. But I'm gonna see.
Are we going to go up into another halt? I mean, or are we going to profit take down? Let's see what we do, Fly X. This is one. Do not overstay your welcome on it, guys, because this could be back at $3 in today, or it could be at $15 in today. Just make sure you have a stop in, or scalp it. Oh my God! Here we go. I took it on that open.
Wow.
And may look for a short now because we could go into a halt down. This thing's probably going to halt down. Let me see. Monitoring the price action, guys.
Same. See how
88
8
888. That looks like a high day number to me. 888.
Signal.
Yeah.
Shuffle.
I think I'm gonna hit it here.
I
Let me.
did.
You are too.
I'm in small right now though. Sidhu dumping. Or wait, no, never mind. That's NVVE dumped. Good call on that, bro. Damn. I think gave 30 points from just when you called it a second ago.
I didn't take it. I was kind of scared.
Yeah, it was, and that was a trade right there, probably. Like, it probably kind of chopped from here. We'll see.
I'm gonna take the short on FlyX right now. It's popping up. I'm gonna take the short on it. I'm setting the hard stop at like 8.5.
Okay. Yeah, I'm scaling my stops a little bit here. Let's get a halt down back to 6.
If it's gonna halt down, I'm gonna lean into it. But I have a short 790s right now. Here we go.
Yes, halt down. It's only 100 shares at a time. Not as bad as it sounds, guys. I don't know if you can. It's because I had a big position, so I went and covered, and then I resmacked again, so I secured that profit. Let's go, Bubba. Good work being there. When you were
I'm only in,
playing
350
that
on
thing
this.
like a fiddle, dude. On both sides. Good job.
I'm in it small though on the short going down. Ish. I mean 350. I was in 800 up going up. But I'm trying, I'm up a good amount, and I really don't want to give back the day, if that makes sense. That's what I'm like, because I've had those days, guys, where I'm up a lot, and I literally go to max loss on the day. It's that most aggravating thing pretty much ever.
Yeah, I've been there, man. It's like you build that cushion, you start risking a little more than you should, and it gets away from you. Or you swing a little bigger, you let price go against you, you add, you add to a loser because you're like, well, I have more room, it's gonna fade, and then it's that one that doesn't, and you blow up.
Exactly.
Yeah, we've been there, man. We know how it is.
We've been through it all, the trenches together.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, guys, good work. I'm gonna take a quick poll, see how you guys are doing. I gotta head over to trade the pool in this halt, so that'll be fun. Start the poll.
Yeah, dude. I think I might practice that for a little bit. Just observe for 30 minutes, like we talked about at the bell. Step in. Even just that first 15 minutes is just chaotic, dude. It's just chaotic.
Acon halting. Acon halted up. Oh my god, dude. Good alert, Uzo. Yeah, I feel that, man. Honestly, dude, I might chill in this FlyX position.
Yeah.
I might chill in it. I still think big picture this thing is probably going to 0.
Yeah, or they might toy with it and pump it to $11 before it does that. Anything can happen. But I did like that big drop there, and I like the 888 wick. MMs do funny little things like that. We've seen those.
When are we opening up here, by the way?
Maybe 2 minutes, probably 7.
Okay.
So look at Sidhu, dude. This is what I'm talking about. This is why it's just avoid bell. Just avoid the bell.
Oh my god. Yeah, up to 5, straight back down.
Right? It's just, how do you win against that kind of price action? You just avoid it, right? Process of elimination. It's just, that's the way for me. That's just going to be the path for me, personally.
I think they got their longs on FlyX, guys, and this is probably might be done from here. But I got to head over to Trade the Pool. So head on over there if you want to keep the party going, guys. We got Acon up, FlyX down.
Sidhu pounding. Sidhu went to the moon, but they found out that they couldn't make it, guys. So they're crashing back down to the ocean. They're landing in the Bermuda Triangle right now. Freaking junkers, man. Good work being aware and just being, not biased on FlyX, dude. Good job there. Good trade.
Yeah. That's another New Year's resolution. Don't be biased. Just trade the price action.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think we could go down into another halt, but I'm going to take some off, guys. I'm going to take like most off. I'm going to leave like a baby position on, I think.
Okay. It could be 30 seconds. Could be.
Yeah. Monitoring carefully right here for FlyX because this thing could just panic all the way back down. And honestly, you need to check the news feed too, because at any point in time, they could just offering out.
Mm-hmm. Reality.
Okay, we opened up.
Chop City.
Chop City. Chop City. Chop City. I took most off, but I'm going to leave a little bit on.
Okay.
Let me see. Actually, what I'm going to do here is I got to go to Trade the Pulse. So before I even do anything, I'm gonna let it be.
All right, brother.
All right, guys. See you over there. Appreciate you,
All right, man. Catch you later. Take care, guys.